Introduction ** Meditation, a practice rooted in ancient traditions, has gained widespread recognition in modern times for its myriad benefits, including stress reduction, enhanced focus, and emotional well-being. Despite its simplicity, many individuals struggle with maintaining consistent practice and sustaining focus during meditation sessions. This essay explores strategies for improving meditation retention and focus, offering practical tips and insights to deepen one's meditation practice. ** 1. Understanding meditation retention and focus. * 1.1 Definition of meditation retention and focus. Meditation retention refers to the ability to maintain a regular meditation practice over time, while focus pertains to the ability to stay concentrated on the chosen object of meditation during sessions. Both aspects are crucial for deriving maximum benefits from meditation. 1.2 The importance of retention and focus. Consistent meditation practice enhances its cumulative benefits, while improved focus during meditation deepens the experience and effectiveness of the practice. Together, they contribute to greater emotional stability, mental clarity, and overall well-being. ** 2. Common challenges in meditation practice. * 2.1 Difficulty in maintaining a regular practice. Many practitioners face challenges in establishing and maintaining a consistent meditation routine due to various factors such as lack of time, motivation, or guidance. 2.2 Wandering mind and distractions. One of the most common difficulties is a wandering mind, where distractions and intrusive thoughts impede focus. This challenge can be frustrating and may discourage practitioners from continuing their practice. 2.3 Impatience and unrealistic expectations. New meditators often expect immediate results, leading to impatience and discouragement when progress seems slow. Unrealistic expectations can undermine retention and focus. ** 3. Strategies for improving meditation retention. * 3.1 Setting clear intentions and goals. Establishing clear intentions for meditation can provide motivation and direction. Goals such as improving stress management or enhancing emotional resilience can serve as powerful reminders of the practice's value. 3.2 Creating a structured routine. Developing a structured meditation routine helps to build a habit. Consistency is key, so setting a specific time each day for meditation can reinforce commitment and retention. 3.3 Using reminders and triggers. Incorporate reminders and triggers to prompt meditation practice. These can include setting alarms, placing visual cues, or linking meditation to daily activities, such as after brushing teeth. 3.4 Tracking progress and celebrating milestones. Keeping a meditation journal or using apps to track progress can help in monitoring consistency and growth. Celebrating small milestones, such as completing a week of daily practice, can provide encouragement and motivation. ** 4. Techniques to enhance meditation focus. * 4.1 Selecting a suitable meditation technique. Choosing a meditation technique that resonates personally can significantly impact focus. Techniques such as mindfulness, loving kindness, or transcendental meditation may appeal differently to individuals based on their preferences and goals. 4.2 Creating a conducive environment. A conducive meditation environment is essential for maintaining focus. Choose a quiet, comfortable space free from distractions, and consider using elements like soft lighting, calming sounds, or aromatic candles to enhance the ambiance. 4.3 Developing a pre-meditation routine. Establishing a pre-meditation routine can signal the beginning of the practice and help in transitioning from daily activities to a focused state. This routine might include practices such as gentle stretching, deep breathing, or setting an intention. 4.4 Utilizing focus techniques. Several techniques can aid in improving focus during meditation. Breath awareness *. Focusing on the breath serves as an anchor, redirecting attention back to the present moment when distractions arise. Body scan *. Conducting a body scan helps in grounding awareness and reducing physical tension, which can enhance focus. Mantra repetition *. Repeating a mantra can provide a focal point and help in quieting the mind, improving concentration. ** 5. Addressing common obstacles. * 5.1 Managing expectations and patience. Understanding that meditation is a practice requiring time and patience is crucial. Avoid setting unrealistic expectations and allow yourself to grow gradually in your practice. 5.2 Dealing with discomfort and restlessness. Physical discomfort or restlessness can impede focus. Addressing these issues through adjustments in posture, using cushions or props, and practicing relaxation techniques can help in creating a more comfortable experience. 5.3 Handling emotional and mental challenges. Emotional or mental challenges, such as anxiety or frustration, may arise during meditation. Developing self-compassion and using techniques like mindfulness can assist in managing these challenges and maintaining focus. ***6 Incorporating mindfulness into daily life. *6.1 Practicing mindfulness outside of meditation. Integrating mindfulness into daily activities, such as eating, walking, or conversing, reinforces meditation practice and enhances overall awareness and focus. 6.2 Using mindfulness techniques in everyday situations. Applying mindfulness techniques to manage stress and distractions in everyday situations can improve focus and retention. For instance, using mindful breathing during stressful moments can help in maintaining calm and concentration. *7 Seeking guidance and support. *7.1 Joining meditation groups or classes. Participating in meditation groups or classes provides community support, guidance, and accountability. Learning from experienced practitioners and engaging in group practice can enhance motivation and focus. 7.2 Working with a meditation coach or teacher. Personalized guidance from a meditation coach or teacher can offer tailored strategies and insights to address specific challenges and deepen practice. Conclusion. Improving meditation retention and focus involves a combination of strategies, including setting clear intentions, creating a structured routine, selecting suitable techniques, and addressing common obstacles. By implementing these strategies, practitioners can enhance their meditation experience, leading to greater emotional stability, mental clarity, and overall well-being. Embracing patience and consistency in meditation practice allows individuals to reap the profound benefits of this ancient art, fostering a more mindful and centered life.